Hi, I'm Meli Spaghetti and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this little Valentine mime type of look, and this makeup tutorial is going to be a voiceover, but I just wanted to do a little introduction. So I've been sort of in a little 1920s, 1930s type of glamour kick. That's how I've been doing my makeup recently, like sort of inspired by it, especially with the blush. So I did this sort of heart type of look, and yeah, I'm really excited with how it came out, and let's get started. So first I'm going in with a pore filling primer just to help smooth things out on my face and create a very nice smooth canvas. And I'm just going in with a beigey colored eyeliner to just outline the shape of the heart, and that way it'll be easier to blend out afterwards. And then I'm just taking some Nye Clown White and a foundation brush and just placing it inside the lines of the heart, and going back I should have just placed some Clown White on my face and blended it out because it took so long just to get a nice even white layer of Clown White on me. And next I'm just taking some black cream from the Rainbow Wheel and a flat, like dense brush and just outlining the shape of the heart. So here I'm just taking a powder brush and Nye Neutral Set to set the entire face, and you should go gentle because I ended up rubbing some Clown White off of me. And I'm just going in with Tako from Sugarpill and another foundation brush, or just a big fluffy brush, and just placing it wherever I put the white to help even out the white layer. And I'm also going in with Bulletproof from Sugarpill and a flat eyeshadow brush, and just going over where I outlined the heart. So next I am taking my Morphe 350 palette, and I am just going to be using this taupey shade here, and I am creating a halo eye, and I like to make it sideways for some reason. I feel like it helps elongate my eye, but that's just what I do. And next I'm taking a darker brown shade and just going and doing the same thing. Oh, and I'm using a blending brush, by the way. I just feel like it's easier for me. You could go in with a flat eyeshadow brush and blend it out that way, but that's what I do. So next I'm going back in with Bulletproof and a different blending brush and just going back at it. I like to do patting motions, especially with a black eyeshadow, just because I feel like it's easier to control it. I'm still trying to get the hang of black eyeshadow. Next, I am going in with BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette, and I'm taking the shade Moon and just placing that all over the lid. I really like this shade because it's like a bluish gray kind of color, and it's so pretty. And then next, I'm just going in and blending it out further, first with my black eyeshadow, and then with the one I used for the browns. Next, I am taking some liquid liner and just creating not too thick of a line, but not too thin along my eye, and creating a small sort of wing. And I'm also elongating it down to the lower part of my eye. I'm not going on the lower lash line, just like further, just to create like an open eye effect and make my eyes bigger. And then here I'm just painting on some little lashes for the lower lash line. Next I'm going in with just a coat of mascara on the top lashes only, and here I am just going in with my Anastasia Dipbrow in Granite and creating a nice little thin brow. I sort of go up, swoop downwards a bit, and then create a nice arch. Next, I'm going in with some blush. This is a corally
color type of blush from Nye. I like to do little packing motions from my temple down my cheekbones to the apples of my cheeks, and then go in and do some sweeping motions to help blend out the color. Next, I'm just going in and darkening my little moles, but I'm creating little heart shapes instead. I know you can't really tell. I'm sorry about that. And I decided some huge lashes would be nice. These are some I stacked in the previous video, and they came out looking really nice on the eye. So next I am taking Kat Von D's Everlasting Lipstick in Damned, and I'm just lightly coloring a little heart-shaped mouth. I'm going in first where my cupid's bow are, and then I'm going down with a line down the middle and just connecting it to the top. And then I go back in and darken the whole thing.
So this is the final look of it all. I'm really happy with how it came out. And yeah. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I know it's not a Valentine's Day date night type of tutorial, but I thought doing a little character makeup would be cool because I haven't done a face paint in a while. And I really love this look. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial, especially just like watching me paint my face. Or if you recreate this look in some way, if it's just like the eye makeup or just the cheek or just the lip or just something, you know, don't be afraid to like tag me in it, and I would love to see what you guys create. Until next time, I'm Meli Spaghetti, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!